In this video, I'll show you how to compress a video without losing quality using Handbrake. Whether you want to save storage space, make uploads faster, or share videos online more easily, Handbrake is one of the best free tools to get it done. It's open source, lightweight, and works on both Windows and Mac OS. Start by launching Handbrake on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can download it directly from the official Handbrake website. Once it's installed, open the program. On the main screen, click Open Source. This button lets you browse your computer and select the video file you want to compress. After choosing your file, Handbrake will load it and show its details on the interface. Next, under the Summary tab, set the output format to MP4. This format is highly compatible and keeps file sizes efficient without losing much quality. Once that's done, go to the Video tab. Here, select H.264x264 as the video codec. If your system supports it, H.265x265 is an even better option since it provides smaller files at the same visual quality, though it might take a bit longer to process. Now, you'll see the constant quality or RF slider. This setting determines the balance between quality and file size. A lower number gives you better quality but results in a larger file. For HD videos, an RF between 18 and 23 is ideal. For 4K or UHD content, 28 usually works well. Next, check the frame rate FPS section and select same as source. This keeps your video motion smooth and natural, just like the original. If you change the frame rate, the playback might look off or become incompatible with certain devices, so it's best to match it. Under the encoder preset, choose slow or slower for higher quality output. These presets take longer to process but deliver the best compression results with minimal quality loss. Perfect if you're not in a rush and want a clean final product. Move on to the Audio tab. For most projects, AAC or Opus are good options because they provide great sound at smaller sizes. Make sure the bitrate is set high enough to maintain clear audio, typically around 128 kilobits per second or more. Before you start the encoding, set your save location and give your compressed file a name you'll easily recognize. Once everything is ready, click Add to Queue, then hit Start Encode. Handbrake will begin processing your video, and depending on the file size and settings, it may take a few minutes to finish. When the encoding completes, you'll have a compressed version of your video that looks almost identical to the original but takes up much less space. You can now upload, share, or archive it without worrying about storage or upload limits. And that's it. You've successfully compressed a video without losing quality using Handbrake. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more quick practical editing guides. And check out the next video to learn how to export your compressed files for YouTube or social media.